Unboxing. Open the box. You'll see iSteady V3 gimbal and its accessories. Unfold the gimbal. Take out the gimbal. Pull out the tripod. And put the gimbal on a flat surface. Unfold the gimbal arm. Mount the phone. Attach the smartphone to the phone clamp. The camera of your smartphone should be pointing up. Make sure the phone clamp is in the center of your smartphone. Ensure that the back of the smartphone is tightly pressed against the phone clamp. Power on the gimbal. When the remote is on the handle, long press the shutter button to power on the gimbal and the remote. When the remote is detached, long press the power button on the handle to power on the gimbal. Long press the shutter button on the remote to power on the remote. Usage modes. Handheld mode, simply unfold the gimbal for on-the-go shooting. Extended mode, pull out the built-in extension rod upwards and slightly tilt the hinge area to the preferred angle for shooting. Remote mode. Stand the gimbal on a desktop surface and remove the remote controller for long-distance remote shooting.